Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fits Me Poreless Matte Foundation in the shade Classic Tan 335 for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Next, I'm using Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and contour my nose too. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to bake. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead. I'm using natural lightning, so the light is going up and down. Sorry about the lights. It's natural lights I'm using. Just going up and down. Next is brows. I'm using David's brow pencil in number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up the brows to define it. Next is eyes. I'm using this eyeshadow palette. First, I'm using a brown shade as my transition color for my crease. And I'm using a light pink. Next, I'm using a light pink shade to blend the edges of my crease so that there won't be any sharp line. Next is my eyelid. I'm using this highlighter shade from Zikel Cosmetics. Is the, what do they call it? Is the Sparkling Honey Dust highlighter in Moonlight. It's an highlighter, but I'm using it as my eyeshadow shade today for my eyelid. Then I'm blending the edges so that there won't be any sharp line. Next, I'm using a gold eyeliner for my waterline. Then I'm using that brown eyeshadow shade I use on my crease for my lower lash line. Next, I'm lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. Next is mascara. Next is my eyelash. That gold eyeliner is making the eyes to pop. Making the eyes so beautiful. Next is blush. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup for my cheek. Blush up the cheek. Next is highlighter. Highlighter time. I'm using this highlighter from Younger Beauty. It's the Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Kporkish to highlight my face. Next is Fix Plus spray. Fix Plus setting spray. I'm using this I don't even know what to say again. MAC Fix Plus setting spray to set my makeup. Next is lips. Before lips, mascara on my lower lash line, then lips. I'm using two lip colors. The first one is MAC Cosmetics lipstick. It's called All Fired Up. Then I'm using this liquid matte lipstain from Zikel Cosmetics. It's the Kiss Proof liquid matte lipstain. It's called Don't Tell. I use it to line my lips, and I had a clear gloss to the lips, and that is that. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe, show me love, support me.